Hello fans, followers, customers. Welcome to a little product presentation of the HPerformance TC870XT 650 horsepower turbokit for the TTRS Mark I, RS3 Mark I. You have all in the kit what you need to get your car to a reliable 650 horsepower. Downpipe, the HPerformance intercooler with the Garrett 900 core, charge pipes, the TC870XT in the special version for 8P and 8J TTRS, oil and water lines, pressure sensors, high pressure fuel pump, the new HPerformance turbo inlet, the 125mm intake, as well as our HPerformance engine pack. The engine pack has custom JE pistons which are perfectly in terms of tolerances, so that you have no piston flip and no noise. Everything that's needed to get your car to a reliable 650 horsepower level is here on the desk, and you can get this by just emailing to info@hperformance.de or contact us via our webshop at hperformance.de.